Malignant Chicken Boy and Eggman. Episode 1. Toilet Nazis.
Dude.
Sup, chicken boy?
Dude.
What is up, chicken boy?
Dude.
The fuck is up?
My roommate is a neo-Nazi.
What? Does he have, like, swastikas in his room and shit?
No.
Like, on his
not
walls?
like that. No, man. Just got like a Slayer poster on his wall.
Well, is he reading Mein Kampf?
The bathroom.
He's got swastikas up in his bathroom?
No, man. Enough with the swastikas.
Hey, you're the one bringing up neo-Nazis.
Nah, man. The toilet paper.
What? He has neo-Nazi toilet paper?
No, dude. It's the way he places it. He places it with the roll facing inwards. Dude, who the fuck would do that besides a neo-Nazi?
Dude, you're the Nazi. Telling other people how to wipe their ass?
It's not about wiping their ass. That's a whole other story. It's about toilet paper etiquette. Toilet paper know-how. It's about being civilized, and the Nazis were the antithesis of civilized.
Whatever, dude. It's just ass paper.
Don't tell me that you placed the roll facing the wrong way, too.
I don't think about it.
Well,
Hey, jeez, you take this pretty seriously.
I do. And someone has to think about it. Someone has to think about these things, or else everyone is gonna be a Nazi. Fascism is serious. And so is toilet paper.